Hello everyone, welcome to Happilish, where you learn English through stories. Today, we have a fun and simple story for you with cute mice, tasty food, and a big surprise. This story is called The Country Mouse and the City Mouse. But it's not just any story, it's a special version, with new twists, easy English words, and beautiful pictures to help you learn. You will learn new vocabulary, enjoy a fun story, and see the difference between a quiet life and an exciting life. So, are you ready to meet Max and Leo? Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a quiet green countryside, there lived a little brown mouse named Max. Max was a country mouse. He lived in a cozy hole under a big tree. Every morning, he woke up to the sound of birds singing. Max loved his simple life. He ate grain, fruit, and sometimes fresh vegetables from the nearby farm. It wasn't fancy food, but it was fresh and healthy. One day, Max heard a knock on his little door. Max opened it and saw his cousin, Leo, standing there with a big smile and tiny sunglasses. "Max, cousin, long time no see," said Leo. Leo was a city mouse. He wore a jacket, pulled a tiny suitcase, and even had a little smartphone. Max gave him a big hug. "Welcome, Leo, come in." They sat and talked. Leo looked around and said, It's so quiet here. No cars, no lights, no music." Max smiled. "Yes, that's why I like it." They shared a meal of grain and fruit, but Leo looked a bit disappointed. The next morning, Leo said, "Cousin, you must come with me to the city. I'll show you what real food is like, and you will also see the beauty of the city life." Max was nervous but curious. "Okay," he said. So they packed and left for the city. The city was loud and busy. There were so many lights and people. There was a lot of traffic. Max's eyes grew wide. "This is a lot," he whispered. Leo laughed. "You'll get used to it." They arrived at Leo's home. It was a big, fancy house inside a tall apartment building. On the kitchen table, there were many tasty things: cheese, cake, cookies, and even pizza. Max was amazed. "Wow! This looks so delicious," he said. But actually, it wasn't really Leo's home. Leo's real home was a tiny mouse hole inside that big house. The two mice entered the kitchen of the big house and began to eat. Leo danced around with joy. "Isn't this the best?" he said. Max nodded with a smile. "The food is great," he replied. But just as Max reached for a second cookie, a loud sound shook the room. A big, sneaky cat had entered the kitchen. Leo shouted, "Hide!" The two mice ran and hid inside the mouse hole. They were shaking. Max whispered, "Is it gone?" Leo whispered back, "Not yet." After a long wait, the cat finally left. Max took a deep breath and said, "Leo, the food is good, but the city is full of danger. I don't like hiding. I miss the countryside." Leo looked at his cousin. "I understand." The next day, Max returned to his quiet country home. He sat under his favorite tree, holding a fresh apple, watching the clouds. No noise, no danger, just peace. So, my friends, the lesson is clear. It's better to live a simple and safe life than a life full of danger, even if it looks exciting. That is the end of Easy English Story, The Country Mouse and the City Mouse. We hope you enjoyed learning English through the story. Countryside is the land with farms and nature that is outside of a city. Grain is a small, hard seed from a plant like wheat or rice that is used to make food like bread and cereal. Fresh means something is new or just made, and not old or spoiled. Your cousin is the child of your aunt or uncle. Quiet means making very little or no noise. Traffic means all the cars, buses, and trucks moving together on a road. Tasty means something has a very good flavor and is nice to eat. Amazed means feeling very surprised in a happy or excited way. Delicious means the food tastes very, very good. To help you learn even more English, I've put together a list of the vocabulary from this story that might be new for you. You can find this list with the meanings in the video description. Make sure to take a look. If you liked this story, don't forget to like the video. Which mouse are you more like? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe to Happilish for more English stories for beginners. Every story helps you improve your listening, reading, and vocabulary in a fun way. So keep watching, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next story. Bye-bye.